Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2021 Porsche 911 Carrera S. And look at this spec. I'll have the window sticker inside. It will go through absolutely everything. Look at this wing. Lava orange exterior. The launch color for the 991.1 GT3 RS. Actually, it might not be the launch color, but the one I drove on track, it was in lava orange. All right, look at these options. So let's start. Premium pack, sport pack, the electric sun. Oh, I thought there was a cover on that. The aero kit, power folding mirrors, exterior mirror lower trim and exterior color, and base and high gloss black. So color contrasting mirrors, window trim and high gloss black, Porsche logo on rear in black, deletion of 911 Carrera S, PASM, sport chrono, sport exhaust, extended range fuel tank, 23 gallons, wow. Brake calipers in high gloss black, power steering plus, front axle lift, wheels painted in high gloss black, the 20 to 21 inch Carrera exclusive design wheels, ambient lighting, adaptive sports seats, ventilated seats, GT Sport steering, oops. Oh, no damage. GT Sport steering wheel, which adds that. Storage pack, smoking pack, even though it's a non-smoking car. Porsche crest on the headrests. Nice. Interior trim inlays and brushed. Ooh, that's nice. PDK gear selector in aluminum. Ooh, okay. Sorry. Ooh, Bose surround sound pedals and footrest in aluminum. Lane change assist, surround view, and adaptive cruise control for a as tested price currently when this was printed of $173,370, 443 horsepower rear wheel drive, and it is currently, where's the temperature? 48 degrees. It's warming up, but tires are going to be a little bit cold, so I'm going to be a little cautious with the acceleration. Driving it in sport mode because it adds crackles, and crackles are fun. Put it into manual. I will say this thing looks absolutely killer. Felt the rear start to spin around, so lifted a little bit. That probably upset it again, but got a pull in. I'm okay with it. Even after just stepping out of the Turbo S, this thing moves. Yeah, and that pull, I probably should have stayed on the throttle. That would have, traction control probably would have kicked in eventually, but I don't like relying on safety systems. So what happens is, that safety system doesn't save you in time. It's there as a backup, not a Lord and Savior. So, you play that game, I'm not willing to wreck a brand new-ish Porsche. You know, even after stepping out of the Turbo S, which, let's be honest, is 200 more horsepower than this, and even so, I think both these cars are underrated. There's just something so special about these cars. And yeah, I have cars that I take from work that aren't these cars. So maybe I'm getting used to normalcy. So something like this changes it up. But at the same time, this is just... I'm a Porsche guy. I always have been. I haven't driven a bad one yet. This rings true. It's just... Especially, oh, the sound in the upper RPM. I'm gonna probably rewatch this video tonight. It's... Yeah, it's good. And then once you're cruising, you're whatever. It's just, you're cruising. You're not getting beat up. It's comfortable. You got heated, cooled seats. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.